In this video, we will review how to manage your homepage campaigns. First, go to your website login and enter in your username and password. On your chapter administration homepage, the box for your homepage campaign management is at the top left of the screen. Click on the Homepage Campaigns link and you will be directed to the Homepage Campaigns list. First, we will create a homepage campaign that links to a page within your website. Click the new link at the top of your campaign list. Name your campaign. Next, you will find your campaign image on your desktop by clicking the Browse button underneath the campaign image screen. When linking to a page within your website, come down to the absolute URL box and click Sitemap. The sitemap of your website will come up and you are able to select the section that you want your campaign to land on. The campaign we are creating is a disaster services campaign, so we will select the disaster services section. The URL is populated into the absolute URL box. Because we are landing on a page within your website, we will keep this option as same page. Whenever you create a homepage campaign, you must enter text in these 4 boxes with asterisks. This type of campaign will not show the text that you are entering, but it still must be entered for the module to work. Scroll down to the bottom of the page and save your campaign. When you create a campaign, it is automatically inactive. Next, we will create a campaign that links to an external website. You will click the new link at the top of the campaign list, name your campaign, browse your desktop to find the image you want to use. This campaign will be a recovery blood drive campaign that we will link to the American Red Cross blood drive website. To get that URL, open a new browser and actually go to the website you want the campaign to lead to. Using Control-C, copy the URL name and paste it in your absolute URL box using Control-V. Because this campaign is going to an external website, we will change this option to open to a new page. Again, we will enter in text in the required boxes. And scroll to the bottom of the page and click Save Campaign. The third type of campaign that we can create is a campaign that leads to a campaign story. This requires an actual story for the campaign. We will create one about the Japanese earthquake and Pacific tsunami. First, name your campaign, find the image on your desktop, and this time when you enter in the boxes with the asterisks, this text will show up on your website. Do not enter anything in the absolute URL box this time, leave it blank. For this campaign story, we have saved the campaign in a Word document. So I will open up that Word document, highlight the text that I want to paste using Control-C, copy, and then I will come over to my content box. Best practice is to use the Paste from Word icon at the top of your WYSIWYG tool. I will click that and Control-V paste my text into the box. After I enter in the text, I'm going to check both boxes to clean up the style and the coding for the text. I'm going to go down to the bottom of the page and save the campaign. We have now created all three types of campaigns, one that links to a page within your website, one that links to a page outside of your website, and one that links to a story. In order to edit an existing campaign, you will go to the right of that campaign name and click Edit. From this page, you are able to change the image, change the campaign name, change the URL, or the story of the campaign. Make sure that any changes you make, you click the Save Campaign button at the bottom of the page. When activating a campaign, I have an option to either activate a single static image or to activate multiple images that will rotate through in a flash type fashion. First, to activate a single campaign, I will make sure that the random rotation box is not checked at the top of my list, and then I will click Activate next to the campaign that I want activated. To view the change, I can go to my home page, and the change is immediate. When I click on the disaster campaign that we created, it will take me to the disaster services page. In order to create a rotating flash campaign setup, I will go back to the home page campaigns area and first check the random rotation box. You'll see boxes pop up to the left of each campaign name. Click the campaigns that you want active and select Save. To view the change, you will go to your home page and refresh the screen. When we click on the external website link, it opens up in a new window. And when we click on the campaign story campaign, it opens up into the campaign that you created. If after I have created a rotating flash, I want to take down one of the images, I will simply go back to the homepage campaigns section and uncheck the box that I want to stop showing, and check the Save button. Refreshing the page will show the change immediately. In order to delete a campaign that you have created, you will go to the campaign list and on the far right, click the Delete link. The tool will show you the campaign that you are wanting to delete to confirm the deletion. If you have any requests or questions on how to change your homepage campaigns, please feel free to create a new support ticket and ask those questions directly to our development team.